Greetings, greetings, greetings. Welcome to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Now we're doing a series on parables, and today we're going to do one parable about one wedding. So watch and listen good if you want to know what happened. And if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then do me a favor, click the like button now, drop a comment below, and share this video with at least one somebody. And if you haven't done it yet, I'm inviting you to click the subscribe button and the notification bell. Cause you're not going to miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Matthew chapter 22 from verse 1 to verse 14. Then Jesus chat to them again. I use story which sound like a wriggle. This is what him say. You did have one king who for boy picnic did I go get married. So him did a sort out one big dinner for him boy. And at this God kingdom come in like. When a time now for the dinner, the king sent his servant them to go call all who him did invite. But them wouldn't come. So he sent some other servant. Hear him now? Tell all who me did invite, say, look here now, the big dinner when me did a fix up for now, it ready now. Me take out me nicest bull cow and me special cow when me make get big and fat so they woulda eat good. And then me kill and everything ready now. Come at the wedding dinner. But they never went and take him on at all. And then left go away, said we. Some go at them farm, some did have business for take care of. The rest of them hold on pan his servant them. Them beat them up and kill them off. The king begs can't done. So he sent out his soldier them. And the soldier them kill off the old murderer them and burn down the town. Then he said to his servant them, the wedding ready, but who me invite no fit for come. So go on out of the main road and tell all who you see out there for come at the wedding dinner. And the servant them go out which part the main road them there and gather up everybody where they find. Good people, bad people, everybody. Which part the wedding dinner when I keep? When full up with one bag of people when they done. When the king a come in now, fi see who did it, he see one man when they have no wedding clothes. So him say to him, say, friend, how you come in here and never no wedding clothes? The man couldn't say a thing. Then the king tell the servant them we walk in at the house, say, tie up him hand and foot them and show him which party black like a middle night. They so them a go ball and grind them teeth, see the pain we a wax them. Cause a whole heap of people God call, but a only 1 and 2 in pick. A God Word This. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.